Welcome to EDU World Space.
So in this problem, we're given the graph of a function, and what we want to do first is to identify the parent function. Well, this looks like our cube root function, or our cube function. So our parent function in this case is going to be y equals x to the third. So I'm going to go ahead and graph y equals x to the third in green. So if we substituted 0 for x, we'd still get 0. When we plug in 1, 1 to the third is 1. When we plug in negative 1, we get negative 1. So remember, our y equals x to the third graph looks something like this. So now we need to see, how do we get this new graph? Well, first off, notice that our original function starts off by increasing, and this one's decreasing, which means that it was reflected over the x-axis. So one thing we have is that there's a reflection in the x-axis. So you want to make sure you check that off. Now, not only that, but it also looks like our points got shifted up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So it also looks like there was a vertical shift of 3 units upwards. So vertical shift, 3 units up. Now, it doesn't look like there's any horizontal stretches or shrinks, and I know that because when I look at 1, just went down into the right one, and for negative 1, it went up 1 into the left one. It didn't move horizontally to the left or to the right, and it looks like it didn't stretch vertically. So these are going to be the only 2 things we check off. So now we just have to write our new equation. So remember, to represent a reflection over the x-axis, that means our original function got multiplied by a negative. So that way, all of our positive values became negative, and all the negative became positive. And then lastly, to shift it up 3 units, we add 3. So this would be our new equation.